Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Anyama Stephen, and today we are going to learn some basic terminologies in Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a very important tool. It's a powerful spreadsheet application that is used for many things, including data organization, data analysis. It can be used in financial calculations. It can be used for collaboration, sharing of data. It can for graph and also charting in research and report writing. Microsoft Excel has various terminologies which can be used, and knowing the terminologies will help you also to understand Microsoft Excel so much better. So it has an application which looks like this. You can use it for your phone, your laptop, and you will be able to apply it in your daily activities. This is how the application looks like, and in the application you can have uh, what we call workbook. Workbook is a document that has been saved in form of Microsoft Excel. So each of these documents uh, are workbooks. Just like another book, if you open a workbook, it also has some pages. So here we have a sheet. It's called worksheet. Worksheet has various sheets you can keep on adding as long as you want more sheets. You will keep on adding the sheets. So and another word that we need to learn here is we have what we call a cell. A cell is the intersection of a column and what and a row. It's a rectangular shaped whatever that you can get, and that's where information can be entered. The other word that we need to know is cell reference. Cell reference is a reference to a specific cell. For example, when we are referring to this cell is in column L and is in row 3, so it's L3, that is this cell's reference. Another word which we need to know is the name box. Name box is a box where we could find the naming of the specific cell. For example, this cell here, we can find its name there. So this is a name box. Then another term which we're going to learn is a ribbon. Ribbon is the these terms that we find up here. We have home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, views, each having their own function, and it will be very important for us to know each and every one of these. So another thing which is very important, especially in the ribbon here, is the formula. Formula is what you may use regularly when you are dealing with Microsoft Excel. For example, especially when you are doing calculations. So here are some of the marks obtained by different people, but you can also get the sum of these marks. So you just go to what? To auto sum. Auto sum will calculate for you the sum automatically and put it where you have the box placed. So you can click there and it brings for you a range. A range is an area where an area covered that you want. So this is a range from what? From G4 to G12. So that is a range. And when you add the sum of this range, you calculate and bring it into this cell, and the result is going to be 644. And another term which we're also going to learn is merge cells. So merging cells means that bringing different cells together. For example, we have these two cells. You want to bring them together, or you want all these 6 cells brought together. You merge them. So the term you get it under home, you go here and define merge and center. So here we have all this removed. So you can type whatever you want. So we have Roberts there. You can increase the font size to as big, which one cell could not manage. So this is it, how useful merging is. Then wrapping text. For example, you have another word here, mathematics. Mathematics. If you look at mathematics here, you will realize that it has crossed 2 lines, but if you want to bring all together in the same line, then you wrap. So another word which we need to know is wrapping text. So when we wrap this mathematics, it will all fit in the same one. It will all fit in the same box, in the same cell. The other term which we are going to also learn is the data validation. So if you want to enter certain specific list of things, maybe a list of names or a number, the number ranges that has to be fixed. So you have to what? You have to data validate. So data validation is found in what? In data. And here you have data validation. When you select it, it will ask you for what you want to enter. Do you want to enter whole numbers, decimals? You want to enter list? You want to enter fixed date, or you want to enter fixed time, or some specific length? So let us do some list maybe of names. For example, let's say the names are Peter. The names are Peter, Simon, Solomon, you have Gilbert, then you have Rosalind, then you have Proscovia. That is the list that you have, and you want to update it there. So in each of these cells you have those names. Let us select, for example, this is cell. Here is the list of the names that you have. So it is automatic. You cannot change it. And since it's not automatic, and you want to, if you, in case you want to change, data validation helps you to keep it fixed. Remember. So if you want to enter the word like Agnes, that brings an error, meaning that you cannot proceed. For that reason, Agnes does not qualify. You have to enter exactly what is there. And then another term which we are going to learn is fix and find and replace. So find and replace, for example, now here we have 16 there and 16 there. And maybe you realize that the 16 you have entered is not correct. Actually, it's supposed to be, the number there is supposed to be 26, but you ended up writing 16. So you want to, and you did it so many times, though in this example we have only 2. So what you do is you need to find and it will replace, find anything that you need. For example, if it is the 16, you want to find the 16 and they replace it. How do you do it? So you come to Control F. When you go to Control F, now you will find find. What do you need to find? You want to find what? You want to find a 16, and you want to replace with the word. The number which was supposed to be there is 26, not 16. So you want to replace with the 16. Just replace all. So now where we find 16 before is now what? 26. Say all done. Made 2 replacements. So for you say okay, that is all. Then if it is done, another term which we want to learn is sort and filter. Sorting. You want to sort things out, for example, in alphabetical order from A to Z or Z to A. You come here, so you choose okay. So you have this Microsoft Font data next to your selection. Since you have not selected this data, it will not be sorted. So some are not selected, but at the end of the day, what we need is to sort, and sorting. Now when you sort the data out, replace them and put it in terms of alphabetical order. That will be very sensible the way you want it to be. And if you want to filter data, you press Ctrl Shift F. So whatever you want to filter, you choose them here. Whether you want alignment, you want font, you want numbers, you want to fill with colors, you want protection, all that, you can do it there. So with this, you can click the like button, and you can as well click on the notification so that if a new video comes, you'll be able to enjoy.